How would you like to help your team transition into a self-organizing team? Hello, my name is Tim McDermott. I'm a software development project manager living in the beautiful city of Tampa Bay, Florida. Tampa Bay has believe it or not, they don't have a basketball team, yet what do they have? They have an ice hockey team. Not only do they have an ice hockey team, they have a championship winning ice hockey team called the Lightning. I'm standing right outside the arena where the Lightning plays their games, and this is a statue of them. One of their teammates was holding up the trophy, the Stanley Cup, and they won it in 2004. So how would you like to help your team to quickly transition into a self-organizing team? One of the ways to do that, the best way that I know of, is to help them establish their own rules and procedures and document those. That document is called the team agreement. And a good team agreement is going to have good sections to it. And I'm going to go through each section one by one. Ones that I recommend, ones that I've seen used successfully. The team, though, it's the team's document, so the team can put whatever sections, whatever information they want into it. And the purpose of this document is just basically to help the team to define how they're going to deal with each other, how they're going to work together as a team. One of the most important top-level sections is what is the vision of the team, or what is it that the team hopes to accomplish. So a vision statement, which would be good up front. It states the purpose and the goals, etc. Another section would be a good one to have is the communication rules. How is this team going to communicate with each other? What methods are they going to use? What scrum meetings are they going to have, and when are they going to have them, etc. Another good section to have is conflict resolution. Team members are going to have conflict, and so how are they going to deal with them? They need to set up a process early on so that when a conflict happens, they can use the process quickly to resolve the issue and come to a resolution. Another good section for the document to have is values and principles. What are the principles that this team is going to adhere to? They're going to have to make decisions, and these principles are going to be the criteria by which they make their choices and decisions, so they need to have them in writing. Another good section to have is an escalation process. When things go wrong and they can't fix it themselves, who are they going to go to? Where are they going to go? How long are they going to wait? Hopefully not too long before they escalate it, etc. Another section is a section on testing. Who's going to test? How they're going to test? What tools are they going to use to test? It's very important to have that well defined and have metrics of what quality standards they're going to be testing towards, etc. And now come to some very important sections. The two definitions in Agile that they need to define is sprint ready and the definition of done. Sprint ready is when is the story or the issue ready to be worked on, to be developed. Some examples of it needs to have an estimate before it can be worked on, and it needs to have a user acceptance test criteria before it can be worked on, etc. And the definition of done. What is the definition of done going to be for this particular team? It could include things like all the subtasks have been completed and closed out for the story, and all the testing has been completed for the story, and the documentation is there to document that this test has passed. So it's document to prove the story has passed all the tests it needs to have. So those are some good sections. There's probably more that you can think of, and the team can take this document and make it into whatever they want to help them, whatever helps them achieve their sprint goals. And now I'm back to exploring this beautiful location. Behind me is the Amelie arena where these people play, and there's a pile of Jack Daniels beer barrels back here that I'm going to have to go investigate. I hope you like this presentation. If you like it, then like it. Click on like and also share. I appreciate it very much. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on YouTube, follow me on LinkedIn.